morning. Top of the morning. Today is September 13th. Happy Friday the 13th. Haven't seen that movie in a while. Um, September 13th, 2019, approximately 7:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My name is Olawale Okabola with Spartacus Trading Corporation, here to bring you a prep report for today's pit session trade. This will take the place of any pre-market port reports that I typically crank out. All right, everybody, let's jump to it. I'm going to spend a lot of time on the bar charts because a lot's going on. Starting off with the monthly. Guess what's happening, folks? Can you guess what's happening? Okay, I'll answer it for you. We have change. We have a clue for possible. Well, we have change, right? Because now we are officially one time frame and higher on the monthly. I talked about it in my reports last week and even this week, maybe, but especially last week, where we opened up for the month of September. I talked about how important that monthly halfback, 2 month halfback was. And I can't remember if it's August settle or August settle or September's open. That was the halfback, the 2 month halfback, right? So I said it could be a clue of possible change if we started trading above the halfback. I talked about that extensively last week, and slowly but surely we were trading higher, higher. That showed possible change to a time frame longer than the day time frame. Okay, so now we got that confirmation yesterday. We broke out from August high, so now, because we did not take out August low, we are now officially one time frame and higher. That cancels the one time frame in nature going down on the monthly. That we are when we opened up for the month of September, we were officially one time frame and down 2 months, although we were in a 2 month balance. Now we are one time frame and higher. So you want to pay attention to the change on a time frame longer than the day time frame. So now what we need to see for further confirmation of this breakout for August range, we want to see some elongation and we want to close above August high. First clue of a possible head fake is we come back through August high anytime this month, because this is a chart that's a little slower to develop. We could get a couple of gyrations in and out of August high, but at the end of the day, for this potential breakout to be strong or show some promise of continuation up, you want to see some elongation from this August high. You want to see that, hey, this market is serious about breaking out and staying above. If we begin to get gyrations in and out of August high, your antennas needs to come up to be like, we need to watch this. All right. So, and I'm talking about for the month. This is not just something you watch for a day or so or a week. You want to watch this as the month goes on. Let's jump into the weekly. We're one time frame and higher, 5 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're still in a 7 week balance area. It's the balance area high, balance area low. We're well above the half back. We're now approaching the 7 week balance area high. That's the next target on the weekly time frame longer than the day time frame. You want to pay attention to this 7 week balance area high. You want to see, can we break out? Can we get acceptance? Can we close above? Or do we break out? Do we fail? Do we close below? This is um, a great indicator of if this breakout from the monthly 2 month balance area, if it's serious, because I believe the 7 week balance area high is above here. So to close above this 7 week balance area high is showing you that we're definitely moving above August high. Okay, folks, I hope that makes sense. On the day time frame, we're one time framing higher 2 days. We got a daily doji. That usually means indecision, although in the profile it doesn't really give us the classic balanced profile look. We'll get to the profiles in a bit. But any change to this uptrend in the daily today, you would see the market close below the settle. Okay, so doji is like kind of just everybody should know what it is, right? So I don't need to explain it, but you want to see the market at a minimum close above the settle from yesterday. If the market closed below the settle from yesterday, that's alert of possible change. Let's see how that all works out on the profile. Here's the profile. All right, it's P-ish in nature. One thing to pay attention to: the profile's pretty smooth. No real anomalies to talk about going up. The point of control didn't migrate higher. We got a poor high showing there's no completion to the auction to the upside. So we want to continue to monitor that. That could be a clue of continuation. Here's August high that I talked about. Even though we closed below August high, the overnight is still trading above August high. August high is an important reference we want to pay attention to. If there's any change on a time frame higher than the day time frame on the monthly chart, as I've already showed you and talked about, we're going to close below August high, or we're going to begin to trade, at least today, we're going to trade below August high. That'll let you know something's going on. The market is not as, I wouldn't say strong. The auction is just not as, it's not going up, or it's not as smooth as you would like it to be. I'm trying to find the right word, but I can't. It's not as smooth as you would like it to be. So this is an important reference here at August high. You definitely want to pay attention to. Here's the 7 week balance area high that I talked about. I said that if we can get acceptance above this 7 week balance area high, that clearly puts us above August high. That shows that this monthly auction, we're starting to get some elongation. You want some elongation taking you away from this breakout. It's a potential breakout from August. And if it's not a true breakout, then we're going to get back in. One clue to let you know that, hey, we could have a good breakout from August is that we begin to not just price trading above the 7 week balance area high. You want value. I never talk price or numbers, right? You want value, this yellow box, to at a minimum overlap the 7 week balance area high, if not half of value above the 7 week balance area high. You know you got something good or strong if value is clearly above or just above the 7 week balance area high. Price and time and volume, that creates value. That means price is up and spending more time up, and the volume supports the up move. That's why I focus on value. Those who focus on price and volume, they're just one dimensional, two dimensional. I take the three dimensionals. That's why value is so important. So there is your little education on value. You want value to begin again to develop initially in the morning above the 7 week balance area high and start to elongate. Okay, that's what you need to see. If there's anything up with the auction, as I talked about, the first thing is you get below August high, and then you close below the settle. That plays right into the analysis I've given you regarding the doji of what's going on. That plays right into the analysis I've given you with this potential monthly breakout. I'm spending a lot of time on this monthly bar because we normally don't, but it's a time frame higher than the day time frame, and the longer time frame trumps the shorter time frame. So you gotta definitely have a good grasp of what's going on and kind of how you want to play or make your decisions as you're playing this market. Currently, the overnight inventory is long, 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 long. So you want to see what kind of adjustment we get to the overnight inventory. I consider adjustment in and around the overnight half back. A true correction is trading below the settle. You're getting a true correction to the overnight inventory that alerts you that there's possible change because we're back within August. We're back around the settle, so on and so forth. If value is higher today, you want to see one time framing to continue to elongate this value. If you get a break and values higher and you get a break and if you cannot get a double distribution that holds, more than likely price will get snapped back up to values because it could be nothing more than liquidation. Remember, if you get higher value and we begin to one time frame lower, that is suspending higher value and is showing you that it's a intraday auction to the downside. Okay, A double distribution that holds negates high, clearly negates higher value, and it's on to the downside. So you need to switch up your thinking if you were thinking long. I hope this stuff doesn't confuse you. That's about all I got. You want to just watch value and understand what's going on with the bar charts as I've taken time to explain to you, so that way you can make the right decisions and stay on the right side of this market. This is Olawale Okabola, your e-mini specialist with Spartacus Trading Corporation, where serious advanced traders come to train and learn. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody.